YouTube, what up, man? I'm at a car 1978. First bike I had was pretty cool, black and white setup. I decided to swap out that setup for a whole new one. I'll get the insides and outs of my bike. Currently when I'm running, and what I suggest buying. You can comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of my third wave. We'll go from the front to the back. Garand bars, 8.66 in height. They were 28. They come down to 26. Super nice bars, love them. ODI XLs with these grips, they're real nice because when you get them, they're super long, so you can cut them to any length you want. We got the Odyssey Parins. Levers from Odyssey. It feeds to a linear slick. Goes from the slick to the Tangler, all the way down to the Evo 2 with the see-through brake pad from Odyssey. We got a Sunday top load, pretty nice. My forks are the S2 Director, front rim, Grandero 2 hub, laced with black spokes, black nip to a 8-inch deviant rim. Hub guard is the G Sport hub guard, real nice. Odyssey GI peg. We'll go to the middle of the bike. Profile sprocket for the profile bottom bracket. It's got the fit spacers, I guess, to give it a custom look. Spring arms and profile mechanic PCs. I got twisted PCs from Odyssey, but I decided to go with a bigger platform to see how these feel. They feel pretty good for mechanic pedals. Chain is the KFC half link with the hollow pin. Okay chain. I actually think it's better than a shadow chain, to be honest with you. The back wheel, custom lace. It was my front rim. That was in the front. It was my front rim. I destroyed the back rim, and I had it laced up to the back hub. That's why I got the room set up. The hub is a V3 from Odyssey with a natural driver. Laced with black spokes, black nip to the hazard light wheel. My gear ratio is 28.9. My seat post is from Odyssey is the convertible. Garand principle. I decided to slam it down, see how it feels. It's okay. Sunday seat clamp. When I first got the frame, it was supposed to come with a white clamp, but it came with a black, so I'm super stoked on that. Headset is Odyssey. My tires are Maxxis Gripper. Folding. It's a 1.85 in the back, a 2.1 in the front. Same car in the front, same peg as the front. I would say this bike probably weighs now 22 pounds. People ask what was the retail value of my bike. I would say 2,200 at the $2,200 after swapping out parts and trying stuff. This is the end result of, I guess, building this bike. Top tune link for my Sunday third wave is 20.75. Super light, not too bad. I like it. For folding tires, especially for Kevlar bead, there's mixed reviews on Kevlar beaded tires. My rating on these tires would be a 5 because they're super grippy and they're super light, especially when they're from Maxxis. I would say this is probably the best build I have right now. You guys comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I would say, like I said, the total weight of this bike is 22 pounds. There's no ounces at, there's no 22.2, nothing like that. This is 22 exact. Price tag is 2,200. I guess I'm swapping everything out and trying stuff. Yeah, that's the bottom bracket. It's really nice. And we got some hub sound. That's how the hub. That's the back hub. Evo 2, they're real nice brakes. I like them. They're not too bad. Like I said, yeah, I know I got a DC hat. I know it's dirty, but hey, fuck it, whatever. Kicks off. I would like to thank some of you that helped me build this bike. It's not just me that just rides this bike. It's a bunch of friends and family that support me for riding this. say thanks to all the people that support this sport. Say keep this sport going. Here in Chicago, we're trying to get a skate park going. If you guys want to help out, or if you're mentioning grade for, I will be posting a petition on Facebook to try to get a skate park for bikers only. You guys can hit me up on Facebook, look for Patrick Greenfield, look for him. That's pretty much the man that's going to be in charge. I'm also a member of Side City Riders. I'm one of their members. And we got one guy on top of that, which is cool. But like I said, comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my custom built Sunday third wave. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna go and do some more riding. Alright, peace out.